Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be looking at another birthday flyer design. That I'll be creating on our PixelLab, so just follow more closely. Now the background I'm using, I downloaded it from Pinterest. So let me show us the background. This is the background. I downloaded it from Pinterest. I just typed birthday background, so they brought different options. So I downloaded this from Pinterest. So this is the birthday flyer we want to create. So very quickly we are going to go to our PixelLab. Just follow me more closely. It's very simple. It should be done in the next 7 minutes. So I open my PixelLab. I go to the default page. Now let me delete this new text. Okay, so I go to this place, which is the background icon. Then I go to from gallery, and then I import the background. This is the background. So I'm going to change the size. I think the size is 1. I screenshot the size the other time. 1280, then 1278. 1280, 1280, then here is 1278. So this is the size we are using. Please follow me more closely. Then let me import the actual design because of the colors. So the first thing to do is to import the picture. So let me import the picture from gallery. So this is the picture. I've already removed the background. Any picture that the background have been removed, you see it like this. It will have something like net by the side. So I've removed the background for this picture, and I've done a video on how to remove background, so you can follow on that video. I click it, then I position it like this. So this is the first step. I can increase the size. Okay, so once I've done that, I will lock it. Let me lock that. So the next thing is to type happy birthday. Then I will show you the font I used. I can bring in my text from there. So click on this and then I edit happy birthday. Then let me increase the font size. This is a very simple design, so let me increase the font size. Okay, the font style. So my font, I go to my font. So this is the font I actually used. This Ed Hunter Regular is the font I actually use. So I just click on it. Can we see it? So this is the font I actually use. Let me bring down the template. So let me reduce the size. I think it's a little bit big. So this is the font I used. Happy birthday. Okay, I can bold it if I want. Okay, so this is the font I used. Then I put in the text. Barrister Kingsley Onoyom is my very good friend. We served together in Kano State. So I will just type Barrister. Take this up. Barrister Kingsley Onoyom. So let's just type that. Barrister Kingsley Onoyom. That's his name. So let's put the alignment as center alignment. Okay, Okay, let me just type the text one after the other so that it can actually give us what we are looking for. Barista, because the barista have a different color. So barista, let me reduce the size a little bit. Okay, then the color of the barista, I'll use the color picker I told us. Then I'll click on the picture. So this is the color for the barista. I want to get the actual color for it. So sorry, the color pick, yes, so that's the color. So that's for the barista. I think I can bold that. Okay, then let me duplicate it with copy, then I will edit it as well. Barista Kingsley Onoyon. Kingsley, let me cut that. Barista Kingsley, the Kingsley is white, the text is white, so I'll put it as white. Then I'll increase the size a little bit. Please just follow, it's very simple. Barista Kingsley, Barista Kingsley. Okay, then I'll copy this again, and I'll type the Onoyon, then I'll edit that, and then I'll reduce the size as well. Barista Kingsley Onoyon, then I will just align it very well. Let me take this one up a little bit. Okay, let me take this one up as well. Okay, so we just position this very well, and then we type the courageous, smart and brave. So let me duplicate that Onoyon. So courageous, I have the courageous. Then I'll change the font style, courageous. So the courageous have a particular font, so let's check for the font. So I think this is the font I used, auto regular. Yes, auto 1 regular, that's the font I use. Courageous, then I'll add the text background to it, which is this particular one. Then I can increase the size. It's very simple, just follow. Courageous, let me adjust it a little bit up. Courageous, then I'll copy it again. I'll copy that. Then smart, courageous, smart, S-M-A-R-T, smart. Then the smart, I think I use another text background for that, so let's select the text background, color picker as well. Then I'll press that color picker, then I'll go to this. So this is the color I want to pick for the smart. That's for the smart. Then I can just adjust it a little bit. Okay, let me increase the width, the right padding for this. Okay, so courageous, smart, let me increase the size a little bit. Courageous, smart, let me reduce the opacity for this a little bit. Okay, it's okay. Courageous, smart. Then the last one is brave. So let me just copy this as well, and then I put the brave. courageous, smart, brave. So let's change the text background color picker, the plus sign here, then pick this one, which is the first color picker there, then click on the image, then press the color you want to pick, just tap on it. So that's it. Can we see that? Courageous, smart, and brave. Let me adjust it up a little bit. So that's that. Then the last thing there is to put the date of the birthday, which is February 10th. So let me just use a particular shape. Yeah, I think this is the shape I used. Then I copied it again. Okay, let me give it color. Let me give it color. Okay, then I duplicated this as well, then I turn it to the other way around. Can we see it? So this is how I did that. So I'm just going to merge the two together. Just hold on for me. Let me get it very, very accurate. Okay. Okay, so you can just merge it together like this. Let me reduce this one a little bit. Sorry, it's taking a little bit more time. I just want us to get it accurately so that okay. Sorry, I think it's like this. Yeah. Okay. Let's adjust that a little bit. Yeah, perfect. So I'm just going to merge it together. Are you sure you want to merge? Yes. Selected objects. So I've merged it together. Okay. So February 10, I'll just type in February 10. New text. Yes. So I edit it. February 10. So that's that for that. I'll reduce the size and then I'll bold it. Style, then bold. So let me just reduce the line spacing in between them. Okay, I think it's perfect that way. Oh, sorry. Yeah, let me adjust it. Okay, that's perfect. Then the last thing is to put the courtesy explicit on this. So let me delete this. We are done with this. Then remember to lock all the things that you have done. Remember to lock it so that it won't scatter. Okay, so new text. Let me just put the courtesy at the down part. Explicit OINDEF. That's the courtesy. Explicit OINDEF. Then I'll reduce the size. Position it very well. And then I can just bold it. I'll go to style, then I'll bold. B is bold. Then I'll lock that as well. So our design is ready. Can we see? So let's save it. Click on this place to save as project. EDK 5.0 birthday flyer 3. Then let me save it as image PNG. I told us to save as PNG. Then dimension is ultra, then you save. Let's hold on for it. Okay, now let's check it out. Open PLP file. So let's open to see. Can we see it now? It's already saved as project. Then let's go to our gallery to check it out. Now this is it. Very sharp. So thank you so much. Keep practicing. Like, share, and comment. Thank you. See you in the next video.